Hey look guys, I got another package, and it surprisingly wasn't a return one already, and it specifically says from eBay. Alright guys, what is going on? It is Frank Darty, and I haven't done a video in a few days. I was kind of waiting to do this. Want to do this unboxing video. Let me just move some of this stuff over. Alright, so I only know about one item in this box. The others are complete and total mystery. So yeah. Hang on. Man, this tape is like really good. Alright, one side down. The only reason why I'm not showing me cutting it is because privacy information. Ow! I'm using a screwdriver right now. It's working okay. My mom's doing something right now. She's like finishing up work, and she's like a secretary, and she gets off today, or she stays home today and works from home today, so, you know. Alright. Let me get this open real quick. Alright, here we go. Open the first thing. Alright. The first device is a Notifier BNG1R. He said that the paint wasn't in good condition, but honestly, this is not that bad. He needed another VG8, and he also couldn't fit the switch in here. So I'm gonna put the switch back in there. Actually, myself real quick. Alright, I'm gonna put the switch back in this real quick, guys. Alright, I got the button back on. I didn't do that good of a job, but, you know, I'll fix it later. Next, apparently, we have a Honeywell Wave 2 two-tone siren. This is pretty cool. I'll open it real quick, actually. There's another whole box. I'm hoping it's a AV I don't have, or an AV. Yeah, this is the sounder. Pretty cool. I'll go into more detail about it later. So now, let's see what this device is. Up, we have the triumphant return of the... crap. Well, here's what we have. We have a, remote strobe, but, not trying to complain here, but sadly it's 124 volts AC. So, yeah, I don't know. I'll probably just, like, if I ever test it, I'll get a transformer or something. But, this is in pretty good condition. I wasn't expecting this. So, yeah. Yes, that's pretty freaking cool, actually. Oh, and if I am correct, is this the manual? Oh, yep, this is the manual. I believe this series, look how old that wheel lock sticker is. I'm sadly not going to be able to use this, I don't think, because it is, 115 volts AC. Unlike my other WS strobe. But, it's pretty cool. I might be able to, for example, this strobe, I've been told it can be powered off of AC or DC, this strobe, but I'm not sure. I'll have to talk to, SLB Productions about it. I'm also gonna probably have to, take these wire covers off. Now, yeah. Now, he said that these alarms aren't in the best condition, but, I mean, this is pretty cool. I mean, it does run off of 115 volts, but, I don't know. This is pretty cool. This is the really old version. Let me see something, actually. When was this even made? Let's see if it says on the, this is the, mounting instructions. Yeah, it doesn't say, but, you know, I don't know what I'll do with this. It could just be like a, I don't know. I'll find a use for it. I don't know. I'm just like trying to think, but I can't think of anything at the moment. Honestly, I'm excited about this because to tell you guys the truth, I really do I just like the way Notifier looks on this pole station. And I mean, also I needed another BG8. So, I mean, like, now a lot of my pole stations are Notifier, like this, and this, and this. So, and then the other two of those. But then I have other just Firelight pole stations like the LAO and just my regular L and my BG6. So, yeah, I guess, thank you, SLB Productions. He sadly could not be in this video today because, he's actually kind of busy, but, this is, for those of you who do not know, only a few of you know. I think only 3 people know. I will be receiving, 2 more boxes, hopefully this week. One from Everyday Exosign and another one from SLB Productions. Now, I'm not gonna say what the devices are, but from Everyday Exosign, it's two notification appliances, and from SLB Productions, it's a notification appliance, a very rare notification appliance, and a very rare pull station. So that is it for now, guys. If you have any questions, comments, whatever, leave it in the description below, or comment section. Sorry, I can't talk. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys.